diagram here. Okay, most affiliate or most ClickBank affiliates, what they do is they go to ClickBank and see this part, they get their affiliate link, or we call the special offer or the product. Okay, so most affiliates or most people are teaching the affiliates, and maybe this is what you've learned before. Most affiliates get their links from ClickBank, and then they go out there and find traffic. Now traffic is what we call, these are people visiting websites, or these are the people or website visitors who will be visiting the affiliate links. Now most of the affiliates fail because this is what they do. It's the wrong setup. Think about this. If this is your ClickBank affiliate link and you go out there and get traffic or website visitors, these website visitors visit your affiliate link, and most of the time when they reach your affiliate link, they either refresh the page or close the window, close the page, hit back, or go back to the internet and do something else. So once you send the traffic to your affiliate link and they leave that website or your affiliate link, there's no way that you would be able to get them back to your affiliate link or to your offer. Okay, so I hope that makes sense, and this is why most affiliates are not making money online at all. Okay, now how do you fix this? This one I want to show you. This is the proper setup. Okay, before you even find the traffic, or before you send your traffic or your website visitors, you need to have a lead capture page or a squeeze page. Okay, and this is not a website. A lead capture page is just, normally it's a one page site, not a full website. So the main purpose of a lead capture page is to get an email, and let me show you an example of a lead capture page. Okay, so this particular example, this is a lead capture page. So as you can see, this lead capture page, it has a headline, there's a call to action here, and the main purpose of a lead capture page is there's only one ultimate goal. Okay, and as you can see here, click here to watch the video, and if someone clicks on that link or that button, you can see it says enter your best and real email address below. Okay, and the main purpose of this lead capture page is to get emails. Now why is this important? So let me go ahead and show you how this thing works. Okay, so from the lead capture page, we are asking for the website visitors to give their email. Now what happens when they give their email? These emails will then go to the autoresponder, and this is important that you need to have an autoresponder. Okay, because the autoresponder is going to be your database of all your email addresses. So all the emails of these website visitors, when they reach your lead capture page, they submit their email, all these emails will go to your autoresponder. Okay, and your autoresponder will then be sending the follow-up emails to these website visitors who opt in to your lead capture page. So meaning, these website visitors, they become your subscribers and part of your autoresponder list, and automatically they will receive the emails. So let me show you how this thing works. Okay, so from the lead capture page, someone clicks on the call to action button. We ask for their email, so they put their email and then click yes, show me the video. They go to the thank you page. In the background, this is my autoresponder, as you can see here. As you can see, as of today, I have 24 subscribers, and yesterday I had 30. So let me just refresh this one. Yeah, so yeah, as you can see, today I have 24 and yesterday I have 30. So what happens is these 24 subscribers here, they become part of my list. So they are stored in this autoresponder. Okay, and in my autoresponder, I have something set up, which is what we call the follow-up emails. Okay, now the follow-up emails, as you can see in this small diagram here, these are the emails. In this particular setup, I have 6 different emails that I set up initially. Okay, so I just did this work once. I don't have to do this, you know, I don't have to do this on a daily basis. I only have to set this on up one time. Okay, so all in all, I have 6 emails here. So what happens is, if I have a subscriber, so what will happen, let me show you. These 24 subscribers today, what will happen is they will receive all these emails on a daily basis or every day automatically. I don't have to do any work at all. So as soon as they submit or they register to be part of my list, they become part of my subscriber list, as you can see here. And these follow-up emails will be sent out on a daily basis to these subscribers. So I hope that makes sense. So what's the purpose of this email? Maybe you're asking, okay, what's the purpose of this email? So if we go back here, the purpose of these follow-up emails is, these emails contains the link or the affiliate link or my ClickBank affiliate link. So imagine this, right? If we go back to the old setup, this is why most affiliates are failing or not making money on ClickBank. They go out there, they get their affiliate link, they go and find traffic, they send website visitors to their affiliate link. These website visitors leave the link or leave the website. They don't make any money. Now in this setup, because you have your lead capture page, someone register, they go to the thank you page and then the affiliate link, or if they don't buy on the initial point of contact to the affiliate link, because they become part of your email list or your autoresponder, and because you have these follow-up emails, and these follow-up emails have the links going to your affiliate link, this is where you make money. Okay, so that's how it works, guys. It's really simple. This is just a basic setup. So it's a basic fundamental setup of being an affiliate, you know. So this is not really hard. I mean, you just have to set this one up once, and if you have this set up properly, all you have to do is find traffic. So once this lead capture page, thank you page, autoresponder, and email are already set up, then that is the time that you need to send the traffic. Okay, and traffic is website visitors. Okay, so now that you know how to properly promote a ClickBank product using this basic marketing setup, maybe you're asking, okay, what if let's say for example you don't have big amount of money to invest, because obviously you need to have a lead capture page and you need an autoresponder. Okay, and again, maybe you're asking, okay, what if you don't have any technical experience, because there's a bit of a technical stuff involved in the lead capture page and creating this autoresponder and email. Now I have the solution for you, so let me show you what I'm trying to say. If you want to copy my ClickBank success and get a copy of my ClickBank done for you system, I will be putting a link in the description of this video and you will be taken to this page. Okay, and you can see here it says free video reveals how to copy my ClickBank success and get my ClickBank done for you system for just $1. Okay, and just in case you're wondering, okay, what's the catch? So if you go to the page, and again I'll be putting the link in the description of this video. If you go to this page, if you click this start $1 trial now, or this click here to watch the video, okay, it will ask for an email. Now just a reminder to please enter your best and your real email address below. Okay, so put your email here, the real email address. Now the reason why I'm asking for your real email address is because if you put your real email address, if I have any case studies that's working for me, I can then send an email to you and say, look, this is working for me. You might want to give this a try. And I already know that it's working, so it might be able to work for you as well. Now, if you don't put your real email address, use a bit of common sense. If you put a fake email address there, there's no way for me to communicate with you. You know what I'm trying to say? So I hope that makes sense. So enter your best and real email address below in this box, and then yes, show me the video. Now, once you hit submit or this blue button saying yes, show me the video, you will be taken to this page here. Okay, and in this page, there's a quick video in here explaining how this thing works, right? And you can see that for a limited time, that's a $1 trial now. So there's no catch to this $1 trial. Everything is explained in this video. And if you like what you see, and if you think that this thing is something that you want to invest in, this will help you become successful in ClickBank. And all you have to do is watch this video. And after watching the video, you decide whether you want to invest or not, and copy my ClickBank success and just click the start $1 trial now. So again guys, thanks for watching, and if you want to copy my ClickBank success and get my ClickBank done for you system for just $1, again, I will be putting the links in the description of this video, and go ahead and check it out. Thanks.